Hello everyone, Reece here. Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to showcase a MacBook Pro that I got for $50 at a pawn shop. And I also want to see what's inside of it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna... Oh, there's my cat wanting his dose of catnip. Alright. Cool, he's gone. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and show you guys the sticker that was on the MacBook Pro. The Pearl. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to flip over the MacBook Pro and show you guys a sticker that's popping out like the girl from The Ring ready to strangle someone. Anyways, laughs and giggles aside, I am going to go ahead and disassemble the laptop now. I just wanted to show you guys the condition of it really quick before I go ahead and disassemble it. And I am ready. Alright, so I'm going to disassemble it now. Be right back. Alright, I forgot to say this, but you will need a PH000 tip screwdriver in order to take apart this laptop. So if you have that, I would grab that if you're taking apart this laptop. Make sure that you memorize where each screw is and where it was placed so you can take apart the laptop and put it back together properly. Keep in mind that there are 4 screws on the front, 4 screws on the back, and 1 screw on each side. And then you should be able to lift up the bottom panel and access all the components. Alright, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and lift up the bottom panel now. And let's see what's inside. I saw a 500 gigabyte SD on the... Man, it's a hard drive. I was really hoping it was an SSD. Oh well, that's fine. Alright, let me check the RAM. And I can see something on it. It looks like 2 gigabytes. Alright, yeah, so it is 2 gigabytes for this module. So there's 2 modules. Each one is 2 gigabytes. So this does have 4 gigs of RAM. And that's cool. I don't have a charger to test this thing, and I plan on getting one very soon. So, stay tuned for that, and I'm going to go ahead and put this thing back together. Alright, the computer's put back together, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I will have another video up really soon that will be for testing the MacBook Pro and upgrading it. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Peace out.